sometimes the double brings us responses that are not useful to us. Why? Because the double doesn't distinguish reality and fiction and doesn't distinguish our intention, and that's very, very important to understand. Interpretation of reality is not that right. I'm sure that nobody of us is going to die of hunger because we lose our job. Probably we'll find another one, or we have another opportunities. The double doesn't understand our double meaning. Or I watch television and I see they are killing somebody. So our double, because he lives in another dimension, and that dimension is like in a film, it's virtual, then he will start looking for answers, even when that situation was not lived by us. We knew that the film was not real, but our physical reaction, it is. Our tension will be in our body, and that is automatically, that's our instinct. Now I guess you have an idea of how the double works. When does he work? All the time, 24/7. All the time he's processing at high speed information in quantum speed. And especially before we go to sleep. Before we go to sleep, it's very important that we are in peace and we are not thinking of our problems or conflicts. Because it's very tempting to say, oh, I'm going to solve it in my bed tonight before I go to sleep. I keep on thinking, oh, I'm so worried about sister or about my children or about my relationship with my boyfriend or about my illness. That's the worst you can do. And why? Because what you think before you go to sleep, that is the way that the quantum will follow when you start this period after 110 minutes after you go to sleep, in which the double starts at the high speed processing all the information of all you did during the day. And all these situations in which your physical body or body was at jeopardy, when you were threatened about something, your existence or your survival. After these 110 minutes, more or less, you get into this state called REM, yeah, like the music group, REM. So rapid eye movement, your eyes would go left, right, and that is because one part of the brain is taking all the experiences we have during the day, and the other one, the left part of the brain, will be choosing or selecting or putting a kind of name to every experience, saying dangerous, non-dangerous, dangerous, no dangerous, threatening existence, no threatening existence. This is happening even when we don't know it. So sometimes during the dreams, we are having crazy situations, but that have a relation with what we live during the day or what is worrying us.